Hi everybody, it's Rob. I am busy with a case study video series, which you're welcome to go and look at if you haven't found it this way, where I was showing you how to do a page properly. A page that will kind of almost guarantee, there's no such thing as guarantee, but will kind of guarantee rankings and traffic if you do it the right way. And the idea is, if you're in the business of blogging and making some money online, the idea is to have as many of those pages as possible that each one adds an extra 10 visitors a month or an extra 1,000, depending on what level of traffic it gets. And at some point, your business is very, very healthy and it's all going good. Okay, now, till now, in my fibromyalgia club, I have done 350, nearly 400 videos already. I'm making them the whole time. But I've so far only focused on putting the content, the training content up for you. So at this point, I've reached a point where with that many videos in there, it's safe for me to start kind of getting you guys into my system. Okay, so it means that finally I'm starting to find the time, if possible, to do pages that will rank. The first one I did in my training was discussing, or the keyword was what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups. I only completed it yesterday. I'm still busy with the course. Okay. And it's the page is live. It's here. So I'm teaching you how to find a keyword, create infographic or images for it, videos for that, and get it to the point where it's published that it's likely to rank. Now, if I go and search for this keyword, what causes, here we go, where's it? What causes fibromyalgia flare-ups? I've done it this morning because I was hoping, but of course it's nothing. I'm not in the top 100 page sites listed for that keyword. And I expect that. So, but by the way, I did my YouTube properly, and if I go to YouTube and look for what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups, right now I'm third, with one view 16 hours ago. Now, there's a thing called Google Dance, where this third will become 30th, will become second, will become fifth, will become ninth. I'm hoping it settles solidly in the first 5 on YouTube over time. But for me to ensure that it settles, I have to carry on doing this page setup properly, okay? So we finally get to why you're watching this video. Okay, so in the course on how to do a page properly, I've got to the point where I have to share this page in social media properly. In fact, let me pause this and find you that page. Give me a second. Okay, so what I'm doing is this case study, new page or pillar post or pillar page. I want to change this to page. But anyway, so here we go. Find a keyword. It must relate to traffic. It must have potential to rank. Fits with an infographic. I believe that. You don't have to. You can do an image and keep it simple. Research it properly. Create the content, images, text, videos. Publish it. Now I've got to this number 9 on my list here. Share links socially and ping all the shared links. Now, it was lovely that I'd got this far. So if you go down to the actual listing of what I've done here, this will be published on the website, edited and fixed up still. But if we go down to here, it'll say start a spreadsheet. And I'm talking here about PS. You should have created a half-decent IFTTT system. And I'd got to that point when I realized I have got all of that stuff on other websites. I've set up IFTTT systems for my small business opportunities. I've set it up for web design. I've set it up for my SEO businesses and all of those things. But I do not yet have it so that I can use it to rank my very own fibromyalgia site. In other words, I'm just where you are. They don't exist yet. Now, I kind of complained a little bit out loud. A little bit funny. Sorry. And I realized that, hey, so I realized, damn, I don't have a choice. I've got to go to Twitter and make a fibromyalgia Twitter profile. Okay, I've got to go to YouTube and make a YouTube profile. By the way, okay, I should shut up. I already do have a Facebook and a Twitter and a, what was the other one I just said? Twitter, Facebook, my bad, YouTube. I've got those three, but I don't yet have a Pinterest board for fibromyalgia. I really need not just one, I need 10. I don't yet have an Instagram fibromyalgia. So you see, I need to set them up. And then when I realized that, I thought, oh, fine, okay, I'll use up my weekend going there because it's not quick. But I knew that I had to do it properly. So if I was going to go and do them, I thought, well, excuse me, I still have to do a social media setup course. And here we are. So now I've combined, by the way, there's another IFTTT course I was going to do. And I might even sneak the Google stacking into this too. Because they're all courses that are still needed for the core. In other words, if you're coming here to get taught by me on how to set stuff up online, you're going to need my advice on social media, why you need to do things in a certain way and all of that sort of thing. So this is it. So now what started off as step 7 or 8 here, step 6, crap, step 5, before I can do any of these things, I realized that I have to go off and do this. So here we go. I've typed this out now this morning, and it's now the IFTT and social media course. I've set it up in the sort of sequences how I do all my training. My bad, I often undo. I really should go and create a mind map. Yeah, I'll probably do that. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'll think about it. So there we go. So you've got what is social media, the important social media sites, all the other social media sites. I'm going to cover Web 2.0 properties and how does social and linking and linking power work. What's the whole point of this? Anyway, and then the sharing tools, Google stacking, and so far you can see I'm still calling everything introduction here, but I've got all the way up to video 9, and here I am. I'm started with this. Yay for me. I must learn how to spell sweet. Done. So basically I'm saying that if you're going to do any online marketing, you have to couple your business to social media profiles. I'm going to go through it properly in all of these videos, but to be honest, you can shortcut it and just choose the 2 or 3 that you think are important. For example, with my print-on-demand business, my Anderson gift store, which you would have seen mentioned many times in all my training, but on that website of mine where I plan to do graphic things and sell them as print-on-demand, I only need Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter. I hope I said those all correctly. And obviously YouTube, because YouTube's a different visual media, and maybe podcasting. Damn, I should mention podcasting in here too. Doesn't matter, we'll worry about that. But so that's it. So the introduction here is just to say you do need it. You can go all out, or you can go simple, or you can pay to do it. I'm going to cover all of that in the system. Okay, cool. Next video. Take care. Cheers.